Hi there, this is the first of a four-part guide on creating your site in Breezy from start to finish. So let's get started. The first step is picking your apps. So to start out, you want to think about what types of content you'll have on your site. We suggest doing one page at a time, starting with the home page. So maybe you'll have a logo and navigation menu in the header, possibly some videos and images, some blocks of text maybe, and some other content. To make your life easier, take inventory of the content you have for the page you're on and organize everything into folders and subfolders on your computer. Once you have your content organized, go ahead and log into your Breezy account and look over the starting point you picked when you signed up. What you need to do now is match up the content you'll have for this page with the right apps. So if you see apps you definitely don't need, just delete them and you can always add them back later. Then you want to go and add whatever apps you need which aren't already on the page. So for example, I know I want all of these apps here, but I also want a slideshow, a contact form, and maybe some others as well. Once you've planned your content and then you've gone and added and removed the apps that you need for your page, you finish step one and you're ready to move on to step two, customizing the layout.